Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. It's Mike here with your daily dose of crypto news. Today, we have three exciting and controversial stories that are making headlines in the crypto world. So let's dive right in. First up, Ethereum developers have announced the release schedule for their highly anticipated upgrade, Fusaka. The mainnet launch is set to take place in December, and it's already creating a buzz among the crypto community. Fusaka promises to improve the scalability and efficiency of the Ethereum network, making it a game changer for the world of decentralized finance. With this update, Ethereum is expected to become even more competitive with other leading cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Moving on to our next story, it seems like President Trump is not backing down from his feud with the Federal Reserve. In a recent tweet, he demanded that the Supreme Court allow him to fire Fed Governor Lisa Cook. This move has raised concerns among investors, as it could potentially lead to political interference in the central bank's decision-making process. The markets are closely watching the situation, and it could have a significant impact on the economy and the value of the US dollar. And finally, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin is facing criticism over the 43-day delay in the unstaking process for the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade. However, Buterin has come forward to justify the decision, stating that it's necessary to ensure the security and stability of the network. Unstaking refers to the process of withdrawing funds from a staking pool, and it plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of a blockchain network. Buterin's explanation has sparked a debate among the crypto community, with some supporting his decision and others expressing their frustration over the long wait time. Well, that's all for today's crypto news. What are your thoughts on these trending stories? Drop your comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. And remember, this is not financial advice. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.